In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme in Hostinger. Whether you're just getting started on your WordPress journey or you're spicing up your existing site with a new look, this guide will walk you through each part of the process clearly and concisely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to give your WordPress site a fresh new style by selecting and installing a theme right on Hostinger. First, we need to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, locate the Hosting section on the dashboard. From there, select the hosting account associated with the WordPress site you want to work on. The next step is to enter your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the Manage button next to your domain and then selecting Dashboard. This takes you directly into the familiar territory of WordPress. Now, once you're inside the WordPress admin area, look at the left-hand menu. Hover over the Appearance section, and a new submenu will appear. Click on the Themes option there. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you'll see the themes currently available on your site. To add a new one, you simply need to click on the Add New button at the top of the page. You're now on the theme selection screen, where you can browse thousands of free themes available in the WordPress repository. Take your time, explore the styles, layouts, and color schemes available. It's like picking out a new outfit for your website. When you find one that catches your eye, hover over it, and you'll see options to either preview or install the theme. Use the preview feature to make sure the theme aligns with your design vision. Once you're happy with your choice, click on Install. Installing a theme is just like downloading an app. It will automatically download and set itself up on your site within seconds. When you've got your perfect theme installed, don't forget to activate it. Click on the Activate button that appears after the installation is complete. This activation step is crucial. It's what makes the theme live and applies its design elements to your site. For those of you who found a theme outside of the WordPress repository, perhaps a premium one from a marketplace, you'll need to upload it manually. Download the theme to your computer. Inside your WordPress dashboard, return to the Add New Theme section, and this time, click Upload Theme at the top of the page. Choose the theme file from your computer and hit Install now. Just like before, don't skip the activation step once the upload is complete. And there you have it. Your WordPress site has a brand new theme installed on Hostinger, ready to captivate your audience. As you experiment with different themes, remember that customization options might vary with each one, allowing you to further tweak your site in the Customize section under Appearance. Have fun creating and transforming your website to match your unique style.